Hi guys and welcome to Bible Time. Today we're going to be reading God Sends Rain. We need rain. We need some rain, said Daddy. Our yard is very dry. Charlie pointed to the sky. I see a cloud. Maybe we'll see some rain tonight, said Daddy. He took the empty coffee can outside. Daddy put a ruler in the can to measure the rain. We'll check in the morning. We'll check the can in the morning. The next morning, Charlie could not wait to check. He ran outside. It rained, said Charlie. God sends the rain. Jeremiah 5:24, said Daddy. Rain makes the grass grow. You'll have grass to play in, and I'll have grass to mow, laughed Daddy. The end. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching.